Hello, my friends. Welcome back to SWT English Learning. Today, we will practice speaking English in a real-life situation, booking a taxi ride. Yeah, this is something almost everyone does. You might book a taxi to go to work, to school, or maybe to the airport. In this lesson, I will tell you a short story about booking a taxi and explain each sentence so you can learn how to speak clearly, simply, and confidently in English. All right? Let's begin. This morning, I looked at the clock and said, "Oh, it's already 8:30. That little sound, "oh," shows surprise or realization. You can use it when you notice something unexpected. I had a meeting at 9 a.m., so I needed to leave fast. I checked my bus schedule. No buses were coming soon. The sound shows you are thinking. It means, what should I do now? Then I said, I'll book a taxi. This is a very simple and useful sentence. Say it with me. I'll book a taxi. It means I will use my phone or call a driver to get a ride. I opened my phone and tapped the Ride app. I said, book a ride to downtown Los Angeles. Here, book a ride means to order a car or taxi using an app. The app said, your driver will arrive in 5 minutes. That felt good. I smiled and said, nice, that's fast. The sound shows satisfaction or happiness, like when something goes well. Then I checked the driver's name. It was Mike. I thought, okay, Mike is driving a yellow car. I went outside and waited near the small coffee shop in front of my apartment. While waiting, I practiced some simple English sentences. I said, the driver is coming. Let's say that again. The driver is coming. It means the car is on its way. Then I said, I am waiting for my taxi. Repeat. I am waiting for my taxi. This is a very common daily sentence. You can use it anytime you are waiting for a ride. After a few minutes, I saw a yellow car stop near me. I smiled and said, finally my taxi is here. That sound, shows relief, like when you feel happy something is done. I waved my hand and said, hi, that's my ride. Simple and polite. Then I opened the door carefully and said, oops, sorry. That word oops is used for a small mistake, like when you open the wrong side or drop something. Once I sat inside, I said, good morning. This is a polite way to start the ride. Always greet your driver. It sounds friendly. Then I said, please, take me to downtown Los Angeles. This is the correct, polite sentence to tell your driver where to go. Repeat after me. Please take me to downtown Los Angeles. The word please makes your English polite and kind. Polite English is always beautiful, right? While we were driving, I looked out the window and said quietly, wow, the city looks so bright today. That sound, wow, shows excitement or amazement, like when you see something nice or beautiful. Then I asked myself, how long will it take to reach there? That's a very useful question in English. Repeat, how long will it take to reach there? You can use this question anytime you want to know the travel time. When you're in a taxi, you can also practice small talk in English. For example, you can say, nice weather today, or the city looks busy. These short sentences help you sound confident and friendly. If you don't want to talk, you can just say, or yeah, to show agreement when the driver talks. For example, if someone says, the traffic is heavy today, you can answer, yeah, it's crazy. Simple and natural, right? When I stepped out of the car later, I smiled and said to myself, "Wow, that was easy." I spoke English, I booked a ride, and I felt confident. You see, my friends, improving your English is not just about grammar. It's about speaking in real-life situations, like booking a taxi, ordering food, or talking politely with people. Everyday English is full of small moments like this. So next time you book a ride, try to say these sentences out loud. Even if you are alone, practice speaking. Your confidence will grow day by day. And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be clear and kind when you speak. In the first part, we learned how to book a ride and how to talk politely in English while traveling. Now we will learn how to continue the conversation, thank the driver, and use natural English expressions that make you sound confident and friendly. Let's start. The taxi is moving through the busy city. I look around and see tall buildings, coffee shops, and people walking with their morning coffee cups. I smile and say quietly, "Wow, Los Angeles looks so alive today." That sound, "wow," shows amazement. It means something looks great or exciting. Then I say, "The traffic is heavy today." This is a very common sentence. You can use it anywhere, anytime you see many cars on the road. It simply means the road is crowded. Now imagine your driver smiles and says something like, "Yes, it's always busy in the morning." You can answer with a short, friendly phrase. "Yeah, everyone's in a hurry." This small reply sounds natural. You don't need long sentences, just small, clear, and kind responses. If you want to practice more, you can add short comments. For example, "It's a nice day, though." Or, "The sun feels warm." These simple phrases make your English sound relaxed and natural. Sometimes you don't feel like talking much. That's okay too. When someone talks and you just want to agree, you can say, or "yeah." Each one shows a small reaction. Means you agree happily. Means you're thinking. And "yeah" means strong agreement. These small sounds make your English feel more real, just like native speakers. As the car moves, I check my phone. I see that I'm almost near my destination. I say softly, "Ah, good, I'm almost there." That sound, shows relief, like when something goes right and you feel calm. Then I remember, it's polite to thank people. So I prepare to use these small but powerful English sentences. "Thank you for the ride," or "Thanks for getting me here safely." These are short, clear, and polite. When I arrive, I pay for the ride. I say, "Here you go." That phrase, "here you go," is very natural in American English. It means, "This is for you," when giving money, a card, or anything. Then I smile and say, "Have a nice day." It's always good to end your conversation with a kind sentence. If someone says, "You too," you can reply, "Thanks, you too." Simple, polite, and friendly English. After I leave the taxi, I walk on the street and say to myself, "Ha ha ha, that was easy." That sound, "ha ha ha," shows happy laughter, like when you feel proud or relaxed. I just spoke English, booked a taxi, talked politely, and enjoyed the ride. It feels good when your English works in real life. When you can use your words, not just study them, you start feeling confident. You start feeling free. Now, let's practice together some short, useful sentences from today's story. Repeat after me. I'll book a taxi. The driver is coming. I'm waiting for my ride. Please take me to downtown Los Angeles. How long will it take to reach there? Nice weather today. Thanks for the ride. Have a nice day. See? All these are simple, natural sentences you can use in daily life. You don't need difficult grammar to speak well. You only need confidence, clarity, and practice. And here's a small tip. Every day, try to talk to yourself in English for a few minutes. You can describe what you're doing, like, I'm making coffee. I'm getting ready for work. I'm booking a taxi. These small habits help your mouth and brain get comfortable with English. Speaking is like driving. The more you practice, the smoother you become. At first, you might feel slow or shy. Well, that's okay. Everyone starts small, but slowly your voice will grow stronger, your words will flow faster, and your confidence will shine. Yes, remember this. Every word you speak is progress. Every try makes you better. So my friends, next time you need a ride, don't just open the app. Open your English too. Talk to yourself, say the sentences out loud, and enjoy the learning. Wow, look at you! You just learned to speak confidently while booking a taxi. Hey, yay! All right, my friends, that's the end of part 2 of our story, Booking a Taxi Ride. I hope you enjoyed learning these simple English sentences. Keep practicing every day, and don't forget to smile while you speak. It makes your English sound even better. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to SWT English Learning for more simple and fun English lessons. See you in the next video. And yeah, keep speaking English every day.